We're gonna rip these 2x4s in half.
For what?
So we could frame around that I-beam, steel I-beam.
In the basement?
Yeah, we didn't want to use full 2x4 width, remember?
That's right, that's right.
So we're
Okay.
just gonna rip them in half.
Okay. You already got 2 cut?
Well, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Ain't rocket science.
That only took you like 20 seconds. Voila. There we are. To the basement.
Don't fall, hon.
Don't fun.
Don't fall on your
try
rear.
not to.
Don't fall on your rear end.
Remember that time I threw a 2x4 through the window of your truck?
Yeah.
One of these days I'll share that story.
We really want to square off of this wall. We don't want to square off our beam. Because that's going to be wrapped. Pretty sure it's pretty close, but we're going to need to pull some measurements from over here all the way over to here. And I want to see how close we are to being square with that beam.
Okay.
So, we're gonna start cutting some lumber to put this these boards up to frame out this beam.
We just put the kids to bed, so it's finally quiet. But here it is. The beam is officially framed out. It's really daggone straight. Let's see if I can get a good angle of it.
The reason that the wood framing is lower than the metal beam itself is because to the right of this beam, where the ductwork is going to be drop ceiling, and we thought it would look funny if the drop ceiling was lower than the beam, so we dropped the beam down lower just for it to visually make more sense.
It looks good how it dies in up here. Perfect. That's a wrap for tonight. This handsome guy has made a lot of progress in the basement that I haven't recorded because I've been at work, so I'll kind of catch everyone up to speed on what we've gotten done. So you can see lots of insulation put in over there. Framed up this post. Now, I don't know if we're gonna do that in drywall or wood, but it'll be wrapped in something, obviously, to hide it. James, what else have you done besides that and this?
This here?
Yeah.
I did finish the plumbing over here.
Okay, let's see the plumbing. I'll show you from this side first. Oh,
This side
yeah.
is not much different.
Okay. So it has water to it now.
Well, I added this pipe here. This is for the tub faucet right here. As you see, I got a copper stub out. So it's a PEX to copper, and then that faucet will just attach right to that. And then
Okay.
I got this shower here.
For the shower head. Okay.
That's it for water. The very next thing that I'll do is once the vanities and everything's built, I'll put in the valves on this PEX, which I got the PEX valves here.
Perfect.
No problemo.
Toilet, faucet for the vanity. And then you did some wiring too.
Yeah, I did. I installed some switch boxes here. We were gonna do 2 and 2. Obviously, we can't do 4 bangers.
Because the space with the
yeah.
studs.
So we're
If
gonna
any
do 2
girls
down
are
here.
watching this,
Yeah.
they won't understand. That's why you gotta explain this stuff for simple mind people like me.
Yeah. So this is a double gang, triple gang. Anyways, this switch is going to control the lights in here. This switch will be above the bar. This switch will actually control the lights in this room here. So they're all going to be
Perfect.
3-way circuits. So I have to run some 14-3 to it, which I've already done.
Okay.
Oh, and then I got the lights. I went ahead and wired all the lights up. Yeah, so we got these style lights here. I like to put some together just to kind of test it out before we do it. So these are the clip-in style lights. Yeah, this
So-
is Torch Star brand. It's on Amazon. We can put a link in the description below. But you can see here, these things are only a 1/2 inch thick. So you can put them on 1/2 inch drywall. They're extremely low profile. You can literally put them underneath of a joist. They'll clip right in there. If you can get them in there, that'll be tough. But
Yeah.
anyways, these little clips come in and out. It's pretty easy. Push them in there like that. And then they just simply flip right back up in there. Real easy.
That is awesome.
And this is how you connect them and disconnect them. So it's fairly simple. That's ever if you have to change a light out. Anyways, this box gets mounted up in the ceiling.
Okay.
So this is how bright they are. So they're very bright.
Yeah. For as little as they are, they put off a lot of light and
These
they
are,
look really nice.
These are the 6-inch lights.
Okay. I like them. So that will be in the movie theater room.
So we already chalked lines on where we want the lights. We're gonna actually have a total of 8 lights in this room. You can see here, I've already got a box installed and I got the wiring done.
Oh, sweet.
Yep, hit your zoom button. There you go. See, that's what it's supposed to look like installed. And on the back side of it, we're using these little press-on clips. These are basically the clamp connectors. Instead of the metal ones, we're using these plastic ones, which I've never used before. Very nice. Makes the job so much quicker and easier.
Is that it?
That's pretty much it. So now, Courtney, this is a Milwaukee stapler. I've never used one before. A guy at work let me borrow it. He has every Milwaukee tool known to man.
Nice.
Had no idea they made a cordless stapler like this. So I don't do this work every day, but anyways, this thing looks really nice. It feels very stout.
Thank you, Trent.
Yeah, just to see if this thing works or not. Oh yeah,
Oh,
looks great.
It's quiet.
So now that we have a cordless one, we're going to let Courtney use this, and she's going to go through and staple all of the vapor barrier on the studs for the insulation.
Okay.
So. Staple your finger on that. That's what it looked like. You almost did.
I did not.
I think we have to replace his staples. You think he'll figure it out?